Okay. Must be about 10 minutes to drinks, I think. Less. Thank you for that nudge. What is AARNet Connect? It's a service that AARNet actually sells to cloud service providers. So providers that would be beneficial to have on the network to provide their services for you. So they provide hosted and cloud-based services to the AARNet customers. So it is an AARNet 4 service that we provide to them, but of course it's restricted, so they can only use it for the purposes of delivering their prescribed services to AARNet members. And I wanted to highlight that it's actually subtly different to peering. Peering is an arrangement we have with other network internet service providers and more of an equitable basis. We do actually charge the cloud service providers for this, but it's a fairly nominal charge. So it's an AARNet 4 internet connection, restricted, but it also then allows you to order AARNet 4 VPN services if you need that direct and dedicated connectivity to these cloud providers once they come on board. So am I telling you something about a service we sell to cloud service providers? Well, we're here to benefit you. It brings them on net. Really, that's the bottom line. Thankfully, this is the same percentage figure as you showed earlier, David. So that's the, and as David highlighted, that pie graph looked very different 10 years ago. It was almost the inverse of that. So only about 7% of our traffic is actually metered these days, and that's because of our promiscuous peering policy. But also our efforts in bringing these sort of service providers on net for you. And of course, the side benefit of that is the direct high-performance connectivity, particularly for any real-time cloud services you need. Unmetered on-net traffic, option to use the AARNet 4 Layer 2, Layer 3 VPNs. Okay. Who is AARNet connected already? Now the big names at the top I put in brackets because they're a special case, and Warwick Mitchell is doing a more detailed and technical presentation on them tomorrow because we know they're of particular interest to you. But you could say that broadly they're an AARNet Connect customer as well. Another one we've brought on board is Ricoh. It's quite specific. There's cloud-based print services, and there's at least one university here that uses them. And then there's a number of learning management system providers that have been on net for a while. Blackboard for several years, in fact. And others are asking, maybe about one every couple of months will appear out of the blue. Oracle, actually, just last week. And it's often because they've been trying to sell you guys something, and you've said, yeah, that's interesting, but are you on AARNet? Are you on net? And they go, oh, what does that mean? So how do you go about getting them connected and on net? How do you twist their arm? Tell the supplier that you'd like them to be on net, and that makes a difference in your evaluation. And put them in touch. And that could be a three-way. You could set up a three-way meeting. It's almost sponsoring them to talk to us. Put them in touch via your customer relations manager. I guess that begs the question, will we connect anyone? Well, no, this is not actually a money-making exercise for us. The charging is very nominal indeed. The supplier really needs to show us good reason and valid either existing services provided to you or that they're imminently doing so. How are we going for time? Do you want me to string it out so you get to clap me up? Oh, no, I can't do that. Thank you very much.